this is 18 plus, and I'm only 8, so it's 10 years more than me. It has 2,022 pieces, and it has so many little tiles, nice things around it. I can actually take this off and take the tomb out right here.
Cool.
This is the tomb. That's the inside.
Detail is good.
Yep. And so it has this nice Taj Mahal there. And
It's a pretty cool Lego set.
yeah.
You made it on its own.
It took me 10 whole bags that were this big.
Yeah.
Yeah, huge bags.